coward! I fear nothing! It is you who should be in fear!
I must get rid of that Rat Ranger. Ah, yes. Nazer.
Allow me to serve you. I will serve you well. I beg of you.
No, not you. Yes, this is the one.
Finally.
Yes.
Master Org.
Welcome back, Nazer! The most cunning of Orc generals!
The pleasure is all mine.
He's a lot bigger than I remember him.
I have a special mission for you, and only you.
Your wish is my command.
I loved how the soul bird just appeared out of nowhere. It was magnificent.
We sure threw that big orc for a loop. We're unstoppable now.
There could still be something out there.
Nothing we can't handle. Right, leader? Cole. Right? What are you looking at?
It looks like a full moon.
Yeah? So?
You know what happens when there's a full moon?
What?
The dark forces of evil arise from the belly of the earth.
Danny! Go on.
And take the form of both man and beast.
What kind of beast?
Come on, Cole, don't scare the kid.
I'm not scared. What kind of beast?
A wolf beast. With jagged fangs and razor-sharp claws. And yellow eyes that can see right through you. He howls in the night.
Ha ha ha. I'm going to bed.
Me too. I still have some homework to do. Good night. Good night.
Cole? Is it true about the wolf beast?
I was just playing with you.
I wasn't scared or anything. I think I'm gonna hang out here. Watch out for Danny. Make sure he's okay.
You're so quiet. I almost forgot you were here. Princess Shayla?
How come you never sleep?
I slept for 3,000 years. That's enough for anyone.
You've been staring at the moon all night. Why?
The moon stirs me. I wish I could remember why.
Finally, the waxing of the full moon is upon us. It's time to pay an old friend a visit.
And it looks like it's ready to scoop up some stars. Oh, there were so many of them. Oh, my. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Oh, yes, I do. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. No, such twinkly little stars. Oh boy, so pretty.
Well, I can see why you like camping so much, Mario. It's pretty neat. I really want to go again.
Oh, with a little imagination, you can camp in your own backyard, or even in your living room. Oh, just be sure to remember the marshmallows.
Yeah, good
So good.
I suppose it's time for me to get in some more hiking practice.
Okay.
Oh no! I forgot my book bag inside the caboose.
Oh.
Morning. Oh no! Cole!
You make the best eggs.
I know you're out here somewhere, old friend, but where? Of course, the dark forest to the north, the perfect place to hide such evil.
Missed a spot. And it's you! Come here!
There's an org loose.
Come on, guys, duty calls.
You orgs? I didn't know there were orgs more powerful than me!
Well, there are. And hey, got another little news flash for you.
You're working for us.
What is a library? Well, Princess Zuliki. It's Zulika, but you may call me Zuli. Good. Well, Zuli, a library is a building filled with books. About the land of make-believe?
Uh-huh. And about things to do and places to see.
And people and animals and race cars and rockets. Just about anything. Amazing.
Oh, it really is. You can have an adventure in a faraway land.
You can learn about a tuba in a marching band. You can travel to the stars in the deep blue sea
when you learn to borrow books from the library.
But please, don't be loud. Shh, so
so that everyone here can read.
You will be proud when you take a book home from the library.
You can have an adventure in a faraway land. You can learn about a tuba in a marching band. You can travel to the stars or the deep blue sea when you learn to borrow books from the library. Oh, it's true.
But please, don't be loud. Shh, so that everyone here can read.
You will be proud when you take a book home from the library.
You can have an adventure in a faraway land. You can learn about a tuba in a marching band. You can travel to the stars or the deep blue sea when you learn to borrow books from the library.
When you learn to borrow books from the library.
I love your work. It's Babu.
Stop right there! We knew you two would be involved in this.
The Rangers. What a nuisance!
We've got a friend that's gonna suck the Ranger right out of you.
When are you gonna learn? None of your orgs can defeat us.
He's not the only org you Rangers need to worry about. Go get him!
Ah, Lock of the Ancient Warriors. Excellent.
Something's wrong. I can feel it.
What are you? You're a mouse! And boy, I have just the attachment to stop these guys! Suction spear!
So, this is what they did to you. Patience, you will have your revenge soon.
Are you alright?
Yeah.
Not for long!
Oh! Try and use your Lion Blaster.
Your cleaning days are over, org!
Oh, yeah? We'll just see about that.
Alright, let's combine our weapons, guys! Jungle Sword!
I'm not afraid of that thing!
Well, that's your last mistake! Savage Slash!
All right! Do your thing, Toxica!
Evil spirits of toil and strife, give this fallen org new life!
Wild Sword! Descend!
Wild Swords, combine!
Sword! Power up! You thought I had suction before? You ain't seen nothing yet!
We need the elephant sword!
You got it! Elephant sword, arise! Sword and shield mode, now!
Let's do it! Hacker Crusher!
Great job, elephant!
Cole!
I hear you, Princess. What's going on?
There's a powerful force in the mountains. I felt it earlier. Now I can see the shadows of it in my pond. It's extremely dangerous.
What is it?
I don't know. It's locked up, but someone is trying to release it. The evil is starting to emerge.
Don't worry, Princess. We're on it. Let's go, guys.
It won't be long now. Your time is growing closer. The full moon has risen. It's time to prepare.
Come on, move it, guys.
I hate it when they go that fast. Toxica, move it before they go any faster.
I'm going as fast as I can!
Hello, full moon. We've been waiting for you.
Oh no! Rangers, you must hurry! The evil is almost free!
We're just about there, Princess. Where is it?
Over there!
Hello, Rangers.
Stop! Whatever you're doing, stop it!
I couldn't stop it now if I wanted to.
What?
Hey, look at that. Nazer's already here.
I wonder what Master Org wants with that old coffin.
Zenaku, you are once again free to destroy all enemies.
There's something very evil about him.
Whoa! What is it? A wolf beast!
Oh no! Whoa!
I am the Duke Org. Zenaku.
Another Duke Org?
What do you want?
I have been awakened to carry out 3,000 years of vengeance.
What are you talking about?
Looks like everyone's very busy today.
Oh, we are. We're having lots of fun.
Oh boy, oh boy.
I'm being an airline pilot, and I'm a nurse, and I'm a firefighter.
Oh.
We're playing what we want to be when we grow up.
Oh, that sounds like terrific fun. May I join you, please?
Oh, yeah, sure. Come on.
Okay, thanks.
When I grow up, I'd like to drive a fire truck, but I wonder if I'll know how. I guess I'll just keep learning things a little at a time, and I think I'll start right now.
Okay, yep.
Because we learn big things a little at a time. To go right up a mountain,
First we learn to climb.
I can be anything when I grow up.
By learning a little at a time.
When I grow up, I like to sail a ship, but I wonder if I'll know how. I guess I'll just keep learning things a little at a time, and I think I'll start right now. Because we learn big things a little at a time. To go right up a mountain, first we learn to climb. I can be anything when I grow up, by learning a little at a time.
Oh, that's right.
When I grow up, I'd like to be a nurse, but I wonder if I'll know how. I guess I'll just keep learning things a little at a time, and I think I'll start right now.
Here we go.
Because we learn big things a little at a time. To go right up a mountain, first we learn to climb. I can be anything when I grow up.
By learning a little at a time.
When I grow up, I like to fly a plane, but I wonder if I'll know how. I guess I'll just keep learning things a little at a time, and I think I'll start right now.
Okay.
Because we learn big things a little at a time.
To go right up a mountain, first we learn to climb.
I can be anything when I grow up.
By learning a little at a time. By learning a little at a time. Whoa!
I can't see it. Now I can't see it. But now
Are you guys about ready?
Well,
Just
now
about.
I can't see. Nope, I can't see. I can't see.
I think you can both see if you really try.
Okay,
Ladies and gentlemen, presenting BJ's one and only Packing Box Pachyderm.
What's a pachyderm?
Oh, that's just another word for elephant.
Elephant? Right this way. Here she comes.
Wow.
Elephant, 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 elephant.
She's big and friendly.
Elephant,
Wrinkled and gray.
elephant,
And with her great big feet, better get out of the way of the elephant.
elephant,
The ground it shakes
elephant,
every time she walks.
elephant,
And she sounds like a trumpet whenever she talks. The elephant.
elephant,
Every sound in the jungle the elephant hears with their floppy king-sized elephant ears. Got a trunk for a nose as long as a hose.
Check it out.
The elephant,
Elephant.
the elephant,
elephant. She's big and friendly,
elephant,
wrinkled and gray,
elephant.
and with her great big feet, better get out of the way of the elephant.
Elephant,
The ground it shakes
elephant,
every time she walks.
elephant,
And she sounds like a trumpet whenever she talks. The elephant.
elephant.
Every sound in the jungle the elephant hears with her floppy king-sized elephant ears. Got a trunk for a nose as long as a hose.
Wow.
The elephant,
Elephant,
the elephant,
Elephant.
Give us back the elephant!
For 3,000 years, I've been locked in that box, waiting for the time of my revenge. Now is that time. I won't be so easy on you next time, Ranger.
This is working out much better than planned. With Zanaku working for me, no one will be able to stop me. No one.
Interesting.
You made up that story about the wolf beast.
So did I.